In this video, I'm going to show everyone how to make a ringtone out of any song in your iTunes library, which can be quite helpful in saving money for your phone and overall enjoyment. First thing you'll want to do is open up iTunes. Scroll down till you find the song that you're wanting to make the ringtone out of. I should mention here that I skipped a whole section where you're going to want to go in and listen to your song and find the area of the song, probably about a 30-second clip, that you're going to want to be the actual ringtone. Once you do that, you're going to want to write down the start time and end time that you want your ringtone to actually play when it rings on your phone. From there, then we can move on to the next step. Right click or control click on your song and select Get Info. From there, you'll want to click the start time and input the start time that you figured out earlier when you played your song, and then go ahead and click the stop time and enter the time you want your ringtone to stop on the song. Then go ahead and click OK. From there, you'll want to right click on your song you just edited and click Create AAC version. As you can see, when you do this, it creates a second song right where your original was. But if you look at the timestamps on each, you should see one with the original timestamp and one that should be about 30 seconds, or as long as you made your ringtone, in my case 39 seconds. Now you'll want to click on your shortened clip and select Show in Finder. This will bring up the location on your computer where the file is held, and you'll want to right click it and select Get Info. Once it opens, you want to go down to the Name and Extension section and delete the A at the end of your file and replace it with an R. Once you've done that, go ahead and click the Close button, when you'll get a pop-up that says Keep M4A or Use M4R. Click Use M4R. Now your file kind should be showing ringtone. So at this point, we're going to want to head back to iTunes, and we're going to right click on our ringtone and select Delete. Now this part's really important. You need to click Delete Song, but you want to keep the file. From here, we're going to want to go minimize iTunes and bring back up the Finder and double click on our ringtone file. From there, it will disappear, so don't be alarmed when you see it disappear from your Finder. And now if we head on back into iTunes and change from music to the tone section, our ringtone will now be sitting in there ready to be synced to your phone. I hope you found this informative and enjoy making ringtones for your phone. I'm going to leave an example of the ringtone I showed you I made here at the end so you can get an idea of what we were doing. Enjoy!
writing the words of a sermon that no one will hear. No one comes near.